Hi everyone, this is Shelly. For the new ones who are watching this video, I would like to welcome you. And for the ones who are returning, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today, I would like to share with you an unboxing of my latest purchase. I have to say I ordered this online, and it's about more than 2 years in the making, in the sense that I've been hunting for this item for so long. And since it's a really hot item and everyone wants to have it, it's not so easy to get a hold of it. But as I said, after more than 2 years, finally I have it. So today I would like to share with you the unboxing. It came in that box from Louis Vuitton, as you can see. Let me just get it out of the box quickly. And I know I already had a peep, so here it is. I just reached up to that. I removed it already, so now we're gonna have to look at it together. Let me get it out. Can I look just okay? Let's do it all together. Yay! It's the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis reverse. Now I'm so ecstatic to finally get a hold of it. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at that. Look at the contrast. So beautiful. And it's nicely aligned, I have to say. It looks good. Let me check on this side. Yeah, pretty good. Can you see? Nicely done. So that's the back part. Let me check the zipper, how it's working. Yeah, pretty well. The code should be here somewhere, right? Let me check. I can pull it out. Yay! There it is. You can see clearly. Yeah. So yes, it's very, very new. It just came today. I have to say that I ordered it once online and I was super happy that I got it, only to be told the next day that they cannot process my order. I don't know, maybe there were too many who ordered it and I was just at the cutoff. I don't know. But anyway, so this time it's happened. It's really happening. It's happening. I have it. As you can see, the leathers are all in black. Can you see? Can I focus that? Which says Louis Vuitton Paris. I wonder if you can see. There. Just you can see. Anyway. And here's leather in black. That one here is also in black leather. Other side too. Now let's see the lock. Oops. There. Okay, it pops. Good. And it has the usual 3 compartments with black Velcro. I think it's called Velcro, that material here inside. And that's the reverse side again, reverse part. And the strap, as you can see, is inside. Let me hook it, and I can maybe I'll try if I can show you how it looks on me while I'm wearing it. So I have to say, my hair is extra nice today. I love the waves, but I cannot do it every day. I was at the salon today, see, so when you're there, you might as well just have it all done, right? So let me show you quickly how it looks on me. There it is. Very nice, right? Okay. So that's it for now. I would like to thank you all for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions on what other videos you would like me to make, I will see if I can do it. And I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like the like button, to press the like button at the bottom of the page. And for those who might want to subscribe, you can also, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can click the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for now, that's it. I will try to enjoy wearing it. Maybe in a couple of weeks I can make a review about it. And until then, I'll be seeing you soon. I hope you guys stay healthy, stay safe, everyone. And once again, this is Shelly. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.